See what exactly happens when you trying to fix something which is broken. Basically, the I have already fixed it, but I'm gonna re-record it and show you how to do that. For example, this Eton chocolate was broken. The reason behind was broken because there was a cookie and this part site protection on, and that was DuckDuckGo privacy, and that way it wasn't able to show me. So basically, when something is broken, you make sure that it works. Site protection, tracking content, block cross-site cookie is a platform. Twitter and everything is blocking, and I think this is a problem because now you need to program it correctly. So this displayed something is breaking up, and this breaking change shouldn't be behave like that. If I remove this again and do that and refresh here, you will see that content is coming back. So hopefully this should help you to again same on this one, that if I own this one and refresh it, it will again break everything. So you need to make sure you test against this, and you need to white label those as well. So otherwise it will keep breaking the changes, because most of the people have that ad blockers on, and it can't be behave like that. So either I have to find out another way to affiliate properly, or create a site which is generate a actual store and then it redirect to the page. Like another site which I have it here is called um, lavish. Okay. And you can see over here this site is also a Amazon affiliate sites, but it's showing everything there. The reason behind showing everything there, because it's not a it is this site content has coming from within a site, and then it has gather every information from the site. Although still look, it still have a 28% block on this page. Same problem, same seven trackers has been blocked. If you look at Amazon advertising, Google, Facebook content, LinkedIn, everything is blocked. And nowadays these blockers, and also over here as well, if you look cross site, and then you see these are this is the problem, and it has to white label properly. If you look at not block up to here, that many scripts are there. I hope this information will help how to fix this. So basically, when you're trying to test this, make sure you check and check again and see if you can have a white label correctly. Okay, thanks for watching this. Cheers, bye bye.